Hello students, welcome to Lokai IAS Academy. My name is Praveen Akkanur. As you all know, we have started looking at UPSC CSAT PYQs from a few days. So today we are going to look at fractions, some problems from fractions and simplification. Right? UPSC mainly asks questions from basics of mathematics. There were 37 quant questions last year, that is in 2022 question paper, and most of the questions were from very basic concepts. So today let's see what types of questions are asked on this bit. Which one of the following will have minimum change in its value if 5 is added to both numerator and the denominator of the fractions 2 by 3, 3 by 4, 4 by 5 and 5 by 6. They have given us 4 fractions, that is 2 by 3, 3 by 4, 4 by 5 and 5 by 6, and we have to first add 5 into both numerator and denominator and then see what change has happened with respect to their original value. Now see, first we will calculate their original values. 2 by 3 is nothing but 0.66, right? 3 by 4 is 0.75. Now in such type of questions, there is no need to calculate middle values. Just calculate first and last, because answer is going to be between these two values only. So 2 by 3 is 0.66 and last number is 5 by 6 is 0.83. So these are original values of 2 by 3 and 5 by 6. Now let's add 5 into both numerator and denominator. The first 2 by 3 will become, after adding 5, it will become 7 by 8. After adding 5 to both numerator and 5 to both denominator, it becomes 7 by 8. So that value becomes 0.87. And next fraction will become, after adding 5 to both numerator and denominator, it will become 10 by 11 and the value will become 0.90. Right? Now let's check the difference. 0.87 में से 0.66 अगर मैंने subtract किया तो difference will be 0.21 and here difference will be 0.07. So what is the question? Which one of the following will have minimum change in its value? So minimum change will be in 5 by 6. 5 by 6 में minimum change होगा. So option number D is correct, because 2 by 3 में change क्या हुआ? 0.21. What will be the change for 3 by 4 and 4 by 5? It will be in between 0.21 and 0.07. So they do not count. There is no need to calculate for middle values. So answer will be option number D. Now it's a simplification question. It's like a puzzle. UPSC likes to ask such questions recurringly. Consider the following addition problem. Consider the following addition problem. 3p plus 4p plus pp plus pp is equal to rq2, where pq and r are different digits. Where pq and r are different digits. Excuse me. What is the arithmetic mean of all such possible sums? What is the what is the arithmetic mean of all such possibles? What is meant by arithmetic mean? What is the average of all such possible sums? This is the sum. When they have asked us what is the arithmetic mean of all such sums, that means there are multiple values. There are multiple values of P, Q and R. There could be multiple values, right? Let's write down this in vertical form. 3p plus 4p plus pp plus pp is equal to RQ2. Now see, unit place is P everywhere, and after adding the unit place we are getting 2 at the unit place of the sum. So what could be P so that unit place I'll get 2. P cannot be equal to 2. P cannot be equal to 2 because 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 will be 8. So what should be value of P? P should be either 3 or 8, right? Just let's put value for P as 3. So it becomes 33, 43, 33, 33, and addition will become 12. Addition becomes 142. When I put value for P as 3, addition becomes 142. So sum becomes 142. When I put value for P as 8, 88, 88. So addition becomes 262. Addition becomes 262. So I have got two sums, 142 and 262. I have to find arithmetic mean of these two sums. So arithmetic mean becomes 142 plus 262. So this becomes addition. So addition is 404. So average will be divided by 2. So arithmetic mean becomes 202. Arithmetic mean becomes 202. Again, one more question of same type. PQ into 3 is equal to RQQ, where PQ and R are different digits and R is not equal to 0. What is the value of P plus R divided by Q? Now to find the value of P plus R divided by Q, we have to find individually what is the value for P, R and Q. So let's check. There must be some twist or some hidden thing here. PQ into 3 gives me RQQ. Now look at the given things. Here it is Q, and at the unit place of the multiplication there is also Q. So what should be digit in place of Q so that with multiplying after multiplying by 3 it gives the same digit? So what should be Q? Q must be 5, because when 3 is multiplied by 5, right, so it gives 15. So unit place becomes 5 only. So Q must be 5. So 3 5s are 15. Again here Q must be 5. 3 5s are 15. So carry is 1. So to get this Q as 5, what should be the value of P? So value of P must be 8, because 3 8s are 24 plus 1 25, and carry is 2, and 2 is written here, right? So PQ का value, PQ into 3 RQQ था, so PQ का value हमें मिला 85 into 3, and the answer became 255, right? So P became 8, Q became 5, and R became 2. So just replace these values into asked question. P plus R, that is 8 plus 2 divided by 5. Divided by 5. So 8 plus 2 is 10. 10 divided by 5. The answer is 2. The answer is 2. So answer we got is 2 here. The recurring decimal representation of 1.272727 is equivalent. Now, recurring decimal means what? That something is repeating itself after decimal point. There might be one digit, there might be more than one digits, right? Here the recurring part is 1.2727. That can be written as 1.27, and we can write a bar here. If there is only one digit recurring, then we give a dot on the head of that digit. So 1.27, I have to represent this recurring decimal in the form of simple fraction. So how to do that? There is one method. just now see, here is 1 is the whole part. So just keep that 1 aside, and recurring part is 0.27, right? So one method to convert recurring decimal into simple decimal is write down the recurring part in the numerator. Write down the recurring part in the numerator and write down the number of 9s which are equal to the recurring part. 27 means there are 2 digits. So write down 2 9s in the denominator. If recurring part is only 1, then I have written only 1 9 in the denominator. If recurring part consists 3 digits, then I have to put 999 in the denominator. Here recurring part consists only 2 digits, so I have to put only 2 9s in the denominator. So it became 1 plus. Now this can be reduced as 9 3s are 27, 9 1, 3 by 11 it becomes. So 1 plus 3 by 11 becomes 14 by 11. So answer is 14 by 11. You can cross check it by dividing 14 with 11, you will get same recurring decimal, right? So this is one easy question, but you have to know this method, how to convert recurring decimal into simple fraction. Yes, so these were the questions from a bit named simplification or as well as fractions. In the next chapter or in the next video, we are going to look at surds and indices. There are some laws related to surds and indices. Those laws we are going to see in brief, and based on those laws, some examples that were asked in the question paper can be solved. So just stay tuned and look for the next video and prepare well. All the best. Thank you.